Hi everyone, this is Julia with Exclusively Dance Studios, and today I would like to remind you about our posture and flexibility while we are in lockdown and staying home basis. I know that a lot of you are working from home and spend a lot of time in front of computer or looking at the phone. So I want to give you two wonderful exercises between your work hours if you can find the time. Please sit in front of the table, yeah, and sit enough so that you reach forward with your elbows, and close your the fingers and put them behind your neck, and really bend, trying to bend forward towards your knees. And then very slowly stand up, straight back. So spend in this position 3 to 5 seconds and try to make it really slow. Try not to rush it, but you will feel how your lower back is stretching and the spine is stretching. So try to do it every day and repeat 5 times, but spend no more than 3 to 5 seconds in this position. And the second exercise, you would sit in the same chair and put your feet apart, and let's say put your left arm on your right knee, reach up, right, and slightly, very slowly incline and count until 35, 40 seconds, and very slowly come back. And then repeat the same, switch the arm. Right arm you're gonna put on your left knee, reach up and stretch towards other direction. Make sure that your sitting bones are not lifted, right? So you maintain a nice stable position in your feet, right? You can increase a little bit to stretch, and you can look towards your armpit or your elbow, and then come back. And I'm telling you, you do it every day, you will really increase the flexibility and posture while you're not able to dance and you have quite a lot limited access to dancing. And please don't forget to like us on YouTube channel. And I hope everyone is doing great and looking forward to the better times and dancing again together. Bye.